Hello friends, today's topic is why any company need a vision and mission. Now before I start, I'll introduce myself. I'm Dr. Praveen Shrivastava, management consultant, business coach and a corporate trainer. So please like and subscribe my this channel. So let's just start. Why any company need a vision? Why we need a roadmap? A roadmap gives the long-term view of where your organization is going and how it will get there. The business to succeed, all the stakeholders need to share the understanding of the vision. And that is why for any company, vision statement is very important because once the statement is finalized, it should go and share down the line with all the functional head, with all the employees of the company, so that everybody works for one simple cause, which is the vision, values, and goal of the organization. Business vision we also call a roadmap. So what we say that business roadmap knocks down the silos between the team and provide a clear vision for the future. It also helps to increase efficiency and productivity of the organization. And people say that if there is no vision, there is no growth of the company. The second very important aspect of the vision is that it need not to be only limited to a form of a statement. At the same time, this business vision need to convert into the numbers. Now, why numbers are very important? Say suppose the turnover of any company is 25 crore in that particular year. Now you will have to quantify your vision that what should be a company 5 years from now, where your turnover should be there. The reason is that whenever you will try to identify and you will try to write year by year vision for your company, that is going to become the target of a business owner. Then these target will go down to the functional heads, their targets and department wise, and the people working in that department will also own that particular target. So what will happen? In a way, the entire company is working to achieve that particular target. So what we can say that vision gives clarity to the organization and clarity makes a very clear direction. Therefore, friends, without vision, objective and goal for the business, you can never create a company. So if you like my video, please like it and also subscribe, and please go to my channel. There are a lot of business and sales related topics are there which you can view it and get benefited. Thank you very much.